Hi, this is Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com, the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming here with another product from SaddlebackLeather.com. These guys make some of the most amazing leather bags you will ever see, and they put a lot of love, care, and quality work into them. Highly recommend all their products. This is their large waxed canvas gear bag. Now, I've reviewed a number of their bags over the years, and these are bags that I will not give up to anyone. They basically have a 100-year warranty. How about them apples? That's why they have the slogan, your kids will fight over it when you're dead. And this is part of their mountain back collection. Now, it's built with uncommonly thick 24-ounce wax canvas from Scotland that's extremely rugged and water resistant. They used to build these in Scotland for, when people go out on the ships and go fishing and stuff like that. They needed bags that wouldn't get all wet and soak up all the atmospheric moisture. So it's great for a laptop bag or taking it on the mountain trail. It's got a top flap which secures quickly and easily with a 2-pad eye closures. It's got removable canvas shoulder strap and has a thick leather shoulder pad. The strap can also be used to carry the bag as a backpack. It can be carried either by shoulder strap or top Old Bull grab handle that lays flat when not in use. It's a dark coffee Old Bull leather back pad. It covers the back and bottom of the bag for comfort and protection from being jabbed by the inside contents. Leather is stamped with month and year of construction on top of that. The exterior leather pad doubles as an exterior pocket and allows for items such as tripod to be carried under the bag. The internal laptop divider keeps contents separated and can be clipped and dropped into the bottom of the bag or whichever way you want to use it. And it creates a single interior compartment if you drop it down in the bag. There's 2 useful exterior pockets, 4 interior pockets, 2 side panels, 1 large back panel, and a front security pocket with a flap that keeps you organized. It's functional, and they claim that it will last maybe you and your kids. Easily fits a 15-inch MacBook, iPad, or notepad holder. Just a beautiful, beautiful bag. Exterior 12.25 inches in height, 15 inches in width, and 6 inches in depth. I really love their bags. These guys take and make some really extraordinary, beautiful bag. The wax canvas bag is a little thing to get used to. The wax is on it. It feels a little waxy, but I believe that goes away after a while once it cures into the bag. And it has a really cool, beautiful, elegant look to it and all the quality you expect from SaddlebackLeather.com. Be sure to check it out. Go to SaddlebackLeather.com, the large wax canvas gear bag. I highly recommend it.
Oh my gosh, look what's in this box. I'd love to show you, but first you've got to subscribe, like the channel, and get notifications for your mobile thing. And then you can see what's inside boxes like these as we unbox the latest technology for you. Be sure to check it out. Oh, wow, that's pretty. See you next time. Or click any of these videos. Either way. Got to find out what's in the box.